How to use Polybuzz AI. Want to explore immersive AI character chats? Here's a quick guide on how to use Polybuzz AI. So start by visiting Polybuzz AI. You can sign up for free or log in if you already have an account. Polybuzz offers over 20 million AI characters. Browse categories or search for specific personalities to start chatting. So to be able to start a chat, go ahead and select a specific character that you want to chat with. So for example, I want to chat with an anime character. I'll simply click on this specific filter and then select the name of the anime character from here and then start a chat with them by typing my message into the section. Conversations are private, so you can roleplay, ask questions, or just explore freely. So if you want to create a character on the platform, simply click on this create character button, which should basically find at the left side of your screen. So you can create a new character from scratch or upload your file of the character into this section. Customize their personality, style, and responses to make them unique. While Polybuzz is free, upgrading unlocks enhanced features like advanced roleplay options and more customization. And that is how to use Polybuzz AI. Sign up, explore characters, and create your own for an immersive AI chat experience.